Here's a bit of feedback on this smart door lock's instructions. Great preliminary measurements, a great tool inside of some of these pages on what you need and what will comply. Very important to see before you buy the part. Fortunately, it works for me. What's odd is it goes from installing the latch to installing the exterior keypad, not a problem, but then installing the mounting plate. How it came for me was already on the inside, and it was a little bit of a challenge to take it off. So this latch is secured in here with this bottom part, so it took some manipulation with the latch already on to get that off for installation. So whether this goes to Yale or to any users, know that, at least for me, the mounting plate came installed on the part, and you must take it off to continue your installation.